hindi naman ako nagpapahabol. So, decided na, 'di ba, Aries? Decided na ako to walk away, iwan ka, lumayo, maghanap ng iba. Um, Bakit ayaw mo? Kung ito'y buhay pag-ibig, so yun yung rason, yun yung question. Kung ito ay sabihin nating work-related, I feel like they needed you, no? Itong iyong craft, itong iyong talent, so hindi ka pinapayagan, or people are trying to stop you, no, from leaving. Um, kung buhay family naman ito, siguro because probably you're the breadwinner, no, or probably they care pero iba lang yung kanilang interpretations or how they deliver the care. Uh, but somehow, syempre, family is family. Mag-aalala din sila. Ikaw din, mag-aalala ka. So, nagigilty ka pa rin, no? Nagigilty pa rin ako kasi hindi ko alam kung ano bang gagawin ko dito. Parang naiipit ako sa bato between myself, no, and my well-being, and between them with the Ace of Pentacles in here and the Five of Swords. Siguro parang feeling mo I need to gain more. I'll be focusing myself in my finances. I'll be focusing myself in my growth, no? It could be finances, it could be growth. Siguro, no, kung siguro na naaaliw lang ako dito sa taong to, sabi nung single, no? Lalo na pala kung single, balik lang ako dito. Kung single, anong gusto niya? So, kasi maiinis to kapag umalis ka, 'di ba? So anong gusto nga niya? With the Five of Swords, yun nga, you might be focusing, sabi ng single dito, baka naaaliw lang ako dito, no, sa sitwasyon na to. Let me try focusing either if not to a different people, siguro sa sarili ko na lang, no? Kung ito ay buhay trabaho, hindi ko na lang, no, I won't mind. I will be focusing on myself. Kung buhay family, ang nakikita